Okay, let's finish up. Sorry, kind of ran out of time before. What I want to do is just go over. Okay, what we did was we made a cloud class, right? So we have this class that's going to draw like a cloud, loaded an image, ready to draw it. Everything's great. We go to the game window, which is our J panel. We created an object. Okay, this makes an object. Make an object. Make a variable for the, make a space for the object, really. Make a place for object. Okay, that's what that's doing. In the constructor, we have to actually generate the object. So this is the thing. This generates the object because there's a new command right there. And then what we have to do is just paint it. And I think this is what got lost before. So our variable for this is C1 test. And what you do is you go to paint component and you go C1 test dot draw me. Okay, and I've been looking at it and there'll be something wrong with it, but I think it'll show up. So here we go. So if it doesn't show up or it does something weird, it's okay. One of the things that happens too is that since it's not really running on a loop or anything, like there it is. Okay, so one of the things is it's sort of misshapen. Okay, so we have to figure out why it's misshapen. And let's try to figure out why. Okay, so going back to the cloud. Let's look at the cloud for a second. One thing that I noticed was when we load the image in the cloud constructor, there's a width that's set to height and a height that's set to width. So this is wrong, and we have to set this to width and go back and set this to height. Okay. Another thing that has to happen, that one of the things we did was we got the width and height. We spent a lot of time like resizing it. We're using like this mypix scaled instance command. But what happens is once you get the new size, you got to kind of go back and resize this because it'll still draw it like really big. So you have to put those commands back down in here. Okay, so once you resize, let me make sure this is looking good. Yeah, you have to go back and get the new kind of revised heights from them. Okay, so this is like an update, box width and height. Okay, something like that. And then, and there, like maybe there's a way to rewrite this so we don't have to do this like twice. So that's something we do not want to do. And let's give it a try and see what happens. Oh, okay. So hi. So we're back. Let's see if we can get this to run. So there you go. So the cloud shows up. It's the right size now, which is good. It's a little bit low on the ground. So we might go to our constructor where we call the constructor in game window and do a little bit of changing for this. Like see, like this is setting it up here. So maybe we can make this minus like 300, move it over and move it up some, like, I don't know, let's go to 200 and try that. So you can kind of move it around with the constructor call anywhere you want. So that's better. I might move it up a little bit more. Something like that for now. Okay, and what we'll want to do in class is kind of make a bunch of them. So that's good. That's sort of a cloud. Anyway, that's the situation. So try to get your cloud done. Okay, and we want to just show that off. Okay, talk to you later, and good luck. Bye.